What if I told you that the key to a sparkling clean home could be a tiny robot zipping around your floors? Get ready to meet the future of home cleaning. Robot mops have taken the chore of scrubbing and wiping off your to-do list, transforming how we maintain our living spaces. Today, we'll dive into the 7 best robot mops that will leave your floors gleaming and your life a whole lot easier. First up, let's talk about the powerhouse that combines vacuuming and mopping all in one. This innovative device uses smart navigation to find its way around your home, ensuring it never misses a spot. Picture it working tirelessly while you kick back and relax. Next, we have a model that's designed specifically for homes with pets. This robot mop features robust suction and a self-cleaning mopping system, perfect for tackling those pesky pet hairs and muddy paw prints. And if you're someone who just loves high-tech gadgets, wait until you hear about a robot mop that you can control right from your smartphone. Imagine starting your cleaning session from the comfort of your couch or even while you're out running errands. Now, let's shift gears to a budget-friendly option that still brings the sparkle. This little gem offers stellar performance without breaking the bank, making it perfect for anyone looking to dip their toes into the world of robot cleaning. Moving on, we can't forget the model that's truly the autonomous cleaning wizard. With multiple cleaning modes and advanced sensors, it effortlessly navigates through furniture and obstacles, ensuring a thorough clean every time. Next, let's shine a spotlight on the ultra-slim design that can slide under your furniture with ease. No more bending down to reach those hard-to-clean spots. It's all about efficiency and convenience. Finally, let's wrap things up with a multi-surface marvel that excels on both tile and hardwood. With its special mopping pads, this robot ensures a deep clean on various surfaces, leaving them sparkling and fresh. Now that you've met our top 7 robot mops, each with its unique features, it's time to consider which one fits your lifestyle the best. Are you ready to free up your weekends and say goodbye to dull chores? Which robot mop would you pick for your home? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to subscribe for more amazing tech insights.